First, open the browser on your phone. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and hit search. Now open the WhatsApp website from the results. Once the website opens, tap on the button Choose an image. Select the photo you want to adjust from your phone. For example, I'm going to choose this picture of a car. The website will automatically turn your photo into a perfect square, which fits WhatsApp DP without cutting important parts. From here, you can choose one of two styles. Crop with blur adds a blurred background. Crop with color adds a colored background. Choose the one you prefer. After selecting your style, tap the download button. Now your image is ready. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings. Then Profile, then tap on Edit. Now choose the new photo you just downloaded. And as you can see, the photo is now perfectly square, nothing is cut, and it fills the WhatsApp profile picture space completely.